Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we're going to be upgrading my Dell XPS 17. This is the 9710 model. We're going to be upgrading the RAM from 16 gigs to 64. So I've got two of these RAM sticks from Crucial. So these are DDR4 3200 megahertz, 32 gig each one. So this particular machine, it's got the i7 16 gigs of RAM and the 1 terabyte SSD with the upgraded graphics card as well. So I just want to get it, since we do have like 2 RAM slots that are upgradable. So it's much more expensive to do it through Dell to get the upgraded RAM. So I just went out and bought my old RAM. So I'm just going to do it that way. So I actually sort of already got started a little bit because I totally forgot that I was going to make a video about this. But basically, so the first step is you've got 8 screws. These are Torx 6 T6 sized screws. So you want to undo those. I have mine in this little rabbit looking bowl. But basically, one thing to keep in mind is the tolerances on the back cover are very like tight. It's very snug. I actually sort of like tried to get my nail in between the edges, and it was like very difficult. So just be aware of that. You might need like a pry tool. Basically, I ended up using a very thin screwdriver head to sort of get in and be able to open it. And I did scratch the laptop a little bit, so just be careful. But anyway, so I've got the back already off, so from this point onwards it'll be sort of like a real-time upgrade. So just put that to the side. Okay, so basically when you open the computer, this is what you see. And I believe the SSDs are back here, obviously the battery, the fans, and the RAM is under these 2 flaps. And basically you've got these little clips on the side, and if you just push them to the side, they'll pop out, and I can just take the RAM out like this. So as you can see, this is 8 gigs of RAM, SK Hinks China, not sure what that is, but anyway, so that's an 8 gigabyte one. And then under here we've got the other one. So this is interesting because it's like one is put in this way and then the other one was in this way. So I'm just gonna keep note of that. So let's open these ones. So the 32 gig memory, I got this from Crucial. Actually, I had some trouble like finding memory that was cheaper. I guess prices have like gone up recently, but I actually had to wait about like 3 weeks for these to come in, and they were like shipped from China, and with the overall delays and everything, it was sort of difficult. But so basically, I'm just gonna pull this back and slot this in if I can. Okay, here we go. And I'm just gonna press and push down, and you'll hear the little slats on the side click in. So that's one side done. And I'm gonna do the same thing for the other one. So get the RAM out. Okay, now this one, it seems, was in this way. Okay, so same thing. I'm gonna push it in. And okay, slide it in, and then you just want to push down, and the little clips on the side will go back in. And pretty much that's it. It's like super easy, easier than I thought, actually. To be honest, the hardest part was probably getting this this back cover off. It was like really tight, which, I mean, I guess it's a good thing. It sort of reminded me of like an Apple product, or a like the Microsoft Surface devices. All right, so let's now just screw this back up. So I'm going to start with this one. Okay. Draw it down here. But yeah, this was like super easy. It was a lot easier than I thought. Um, and I think I got the RAM for about, it was about like $240, I want to say. Maybe a little bit less. This was a couple weeks ago I ordered it. And like I said, there were some like shipping delays and things like that. Now, when I checked before I actually bought the computer, I sort of had planned to get a lower spec model and then upgrade the RAM and possibly even the hard drive myself. When I checked on Amazon, there was like tons of DDR4 3200 RAM available. But after I purchased, it was sort of like hard to find RAM. Like the shipping delays were sort of like ridiculous. So I ended up going to like Newegg to get the RAM. Okay, how many do I have left? But yeah, guys, overall, this is like super easy. Trust me, if somebody like me who's not very like tech savvy overall can do it, you'll definitely have like no problem. And I definitely recommend like doing this upgrade yourself because it is, I think like Dell wants like $400 or $500 if you want the max RAM, which is 64 gigs in this machine. But anyway, hopefully this not a review, but this like tutorial was helpful to you. If it is, please comment, like the video, and if you have any questions or anything like that, leave them in the comments below and I'll try my best to get back to you. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. I should have more content coming your ways. So the focus on the channel is sort of like doing these tech upgrades, possibly reviews, maybe like some like DIY ideas and things like that. But thank you so much. Please like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.